So I'm going to fast forward through this a little bit, which is aligning technology with priority. This is our last theme of the finding, and this is the one that kind of floored me a little bit, not so much as the first one, which is where the heck is the money to fund all of this, but this one kind of floored me as well. So in our survey, we asked about what is the HR objective in your organization and what are the digital workforce or digital transformation priorities in your organization. 82%, I kid you not, 82% of our respondents came back and said leadership development is my HR objective for the next 12 months. And here's a really, really weird thing. When I'm asking about organizational digital transformation priorities, nobody said anything about leadership development, which is really, really strange. Because if you think about it, in order to digitally transform your organization, your culture, how you treat skills, how you treat talent, and everything else in between, you pretty much need to have a leadership team to drive that, because unfortunately all of us are still mostly set up in a hierarchical form, and cultural transformation is still driven from the top down for most organizations. So to say that leadership development is an HR priority and then kind of completely dropping it to, I think, the 8th place or something like that in overall organizational priorities, that was a little bit surprising. Process automation, however, was one of those categories that was prioritized across both HR as well as digital transformations in an organization. But again, one thing I will say here, it's almost like HR is trying to run itself into the ground by thinking about how much cheaper and how much less we can work with. And we're not thinking yet about the value part of that equation.